Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can create a download button for PDF, videos or any kind of file in your WordPress blog. Right now I am on my website dashboard. To create this download button, I am going to my all post section. Now I am going to open a exist blog post. After that, I will create a download button after this introduction. So to create this download button, I have to click on add blog plus icon. After that, search here with button and you will get the button block. So anyone wish you can use. So as a basic WordPress default button, I am going to use this button. So click here and this button already selected. Now I am going to add a text, download this PDF. I will show you the download button for PDF and video as an example, and you can use this method for any types of download button, even any kind of file, docs, anything. So this button is for PDF I am creating. After that, I have to give the download link where I stored the PDF. I have to give that link here. Firstly, you have to upload that PDF file. So visit your media library and you have to click here, add new media file, this option. So after clicking here, you will get a option to upload the file. So you can drop the file here or you can click on select file. After that, you can choose your PDF, video or whatever file you want to download that file and click on open. Then this file will upload here. After uploading, you will click on that file. This is a PDF file. So I am copying this file URL from here. So copy URL to clipboard. After that, I am coming back my blog post and click that URL link option. This link option. Even in your keyboard, if you press Ctrl plus K, then still it will work. So click there and I am going to paste that link here, that PDF file link here. So after that, click submit and save. Now I am going to view the post and this is the PDF file download link. So let me check if I click here, this PDF is going to download or not. Just clicked here and you see download option is working here. This is the download pop-up working here. Now I will create a video button to download that video. So below I want to create another button, separate button. Same, I am clicking on plus and searching here with button and I am selecting that button and I am writing a text, download the video. Okay, so same, I have to give the video URL here. It might be upload on your media library or any external resource, anyone you can use, no problem. So just need that video file URL. So here I have a video. This is the video. So I want to give this video download option. So same, I have to click this file URL option. So copy URL. After that, same, I have to input that URL on the link section here. Again, I am showing you, you have to click here. or on your keyboard Ctrl plus K. Both will work perfectly, no problem. So paste that video URL. After that, press on submit or enter and save this post. And I'm going to view the post again. After that, I want to click on this download button. Let's see video is going to download or not. So when I am clicking on this button, you see this video file download option is working and it's saying start download. So this is the way. By following this way, you can create any kind of download button for your WordPress blog. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.